your room doesn't look finished.
Can't stand to leave things unfinished. It's like when you hear the first part of that song, Come Sail Away by Styx. If I hear the first part of that song, I have to finish it. Really? Yeah, I can't do anything till it's done.
And it's not because you need more crap. Most people either stop too early or they just overdo it trying to fix it. And both options leave your room feeling way off. First, you need to know when to stop at just the right time. A finished room doesn't mean full, it means everything has a purpose. If you keep adding after that point, you start ruining what was already working. And this is where most people go way too far. Next, everything in your room should have a job or a function. Your rug anchors the space. The lighting is going to set the mood. Your wall art fills visual gaps. If something isn't doing anything, it's just hurting the room and it's got to go. And this is why some rooms feel designed and intentional and others do not. Last, the finishing layer. These are the small details done right. Better placement, not more stuff, better spacing, better balance. This is what makes a room feel complete instead of close. And this is the difference between a room that looks decorated and one that actually feels designed and finished. So if your room feels off, you do not need more stuff. You just need to finish it the right way. And next, I'll show you exactly what to fix in another real space. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.